Hi guys. So in reading, we have been reading Where is Tabby Cat? Today we're going to talk about how the character is feeling and how do we know that. So we're going to pay close attention to looking at the character and the character's faces and what the character is saying to figure out how they feel. All right, you ready? Where is Tabby Cat? He looks kind of happy. He's got a smile on his face. He looks like he's thinking about the cat. So let's take a look. Where is Tabby Cat? Sammy looks under the bed. Uh-oh, do you think Tabby Cat's lost? Sammy looks under the chair. Sammy looks under the sofa. Look at Sammy's face now. How do you think he's feeling? He doesn't look like he's found Tabby yet. How would you feel? Sammy looks under the desk. Meow, says Tabby Cat. Ooh, where do you think Tabby Cat is? Alright, Sammy looks a little bit happier. Do you think he's close to finding Tabby? Sammy looks in the drawer. Surprise! It's Tabby Cat. Take a look at Sammy's face. How do you think he's feeling? I think he's feeling happy too. I would feel happy if I found my cat and if it was lost. So I think Sammy's feeling happy. Look at Tabby. How does Tabby look? That's right, Tabby looks happy also. So the characters' faces tell us a lot about how the character's feeling. So pay close attention to how Sammy's face changed throughout the book. Okay, take a look at Sammy here. Do you think he looks very happy? Let's take a look in the middle. How does Sammy look here? That's right, Sammy looks kind of upset. He hasn't found Tabby yet. But at the end of the story, Sammy has a big smile on his face. So I agree, Sammy looks happy.